Hey guys, what's up? I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. Sorry for my down spirits here, but I just had surgery this morning, so that's why we're in my bed. I'm sitting up right now. But I really wanted to get this video out to you guys. I took some medicine so I don't feel as bad, so I have probably a couple of hours of feeling pretty good and not so much pain, so I wanted to do this video so I can just get this out for you guys as soon as possible. So we'll do this, and then this one will be in a second video. So the first one will be my Ipsy. I haven't opened it, I just received it yesterday. Yesterday meaning the 16th, today's the 17th. So, oh wow. Wow. This is so cute. Actually, this is really cute. I love it. So it is yellow. Beautiful, voluptuous women on it. It also has Ipsy right here. Excuse my nails, I had to take them down for the surgery. I had to cut them off. Unfortunately, I had just did them and they were so cute. But I'll have to try and find some time to do it this week, and I'm going to be going for vacation. Ooh, I see some good stuff. I never check to see if, you know, what I get, because I think of it as like a present every month, so I really like that. It says, make waves. Okay, sorry for the kids in the background, but they're trying to get out of the house. So it says, save the date, 6/24, choose a product, which I never forget, because I love that we get to choose one product. So I always know at least one product, right? So the first thing I'm pulling out is by Malie. I think it's pronounced Malie, maybe Melee. It says, clearly brilliant tinted lip. I am a gloss whore, lip balm whore, whatever you want to say. Really pretty. I love it. I don't know about this color. It kind of looks like the Too Faced, the peach, one of the peach glosses that I absolutely love. And I will swatch it too. The next thing, double effect. It is by Selfit. Oh, it has one of those little things on top. Selfit? I don't know. Double Effect Cleanser Oil to Foam, Dry and Sensitive. Wow. That's cool. That's so interesting. It says, oil transforms into gentle foam for an easy one-step cleansing oil foam. I love double cleansing, so this would definitely, I would definitely incorporate this, and it's beautiful size. I love the size because it's travel size. And I think I'm actually running low on my travel size one, so I can use it. I'll check out how it smells. My god, I'm so sad I wasn't recording that. I literally took the top off and this flew out. That's hilarious. It's just a little stopper. Oh, it smells nice and fresh, and it feels really sticky. The next thing is by Kat Von D. This is the Lock-It setting powder, translucent setting powder. So I have a couple of these. I give them to my kids because I have my Hourglass one that I absolutely love, and also Makeup Forever. It's not a translucent setting powder, but I don't remember if that's what I picked. Oh no, I think I picked this. Wow, look at that color. So this is obviously a full size. Let me know, guys, if you've ever had yours broken. Like, I'm so shocked every time I get something like this and it's never broken. Wow, look at that though. Isn't that gorgeous? I think honestly, I have to say this is a prettier one than I have. I have two other ones, but I know it's not a Soho. This is says Ofra X Talia Mar, and you get 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. And for a $12 bag, that is just amazing to me. I love it. Look at that. And I will definitely swatch this because highlighters, they last quite some time. Let's see if this has an opening time. I'm kind of shocked it doesn't. But they last quite a while, so definitely like to bounce back and forth, and that is gorgeous. Okay, moving on. Oh, I was hoping I was going to get this, actually. This is Nanette Lepore, Colors of Vanette. Oh, Nanette. Duh. Somebody wanted to say hello. Graham! Where? Oh my god, he looked crazy. Graham! He's getting excited. Everybody's leaving. He can hear him. I love how pretty this bottle is, and it is perfect for your purse or to travel. It says use code Ipsy NL50 for 50% off and a free gift. So for this one, you get 1 fluid ounces. That's a good size, and I'll definitely smell that one. That is it. Nothing else in the bag. I feel like, let me see, what did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I would definitely have to say this is a 4-star for me. Like, maybe like a 3.5 star, I guess. Well, no, 4-star, I guess. Because this I will hopefully definitely use. This my kids will use. This I will definitely use. These two definitely use. Hopefully if they smell good too. I mean, this one smells good. Hopefully if that works good. And then this one. So let's see what this says. You know, like kind of like what the prices are and stuff. But just as we can see straight off, like definitely worth the $12. If you get a yearly subscription, I think it's like $10 or something like that. So I'm really thinking about doing that, honestly, because I just love Ipsy. They do piss me off a lot with their shipping, you know, but overall, like, I love the products and the things that I get, and they really tailor to the things that I really want and like. So let me swatch and open all these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and wow, I love it. Oh, that is something else. Next thing, so it's clearly brilliant in the color Nectar. That is what we're looking like. So it's a nice balm, but that's what it looks like. I just put it on my lips too, but the color is very beautiful. It's a very muted pink, peachy pink, and I really like that. So definitely get some use out of that, and actually it'll probably go pretty quickly as long as once I see myself in the mirror. Can't really tell, I guess. And then this. Oh. Wow. Feels nice and thick, but feels like it would absorb nicely and quickly. Oh man, the smell is so flippin' good. Like fresh flowers, not roses, fresh flowers, people. Wow. It is leaving like a kind of like a buttery effect to my skin too, so it's really nice and thick. Definitely put that on my heels or with all the hand washing. Like, guys, I already was like somebody that was crazy washing hands crazily, but it's crazy. Like, usually my hands are just really cracked and dry in the winter, but they're like literally cracked and dry now. So, gots to carry the lotion around. Once my hemp's one wears out, I'm definitely going to put that one in here. So, that is everything in the bag, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about my bag. Did you guys like it? Would you prefer my bag over your bag? Is this making you want to get Ipsy if you don't have Ipsy? And let me know what you got in your bag. Did you get similar things as me? This overall to me, obviously like just this alone is worth it, but I really do love these gifts. Like I really like these. I'm very happy about this because I know somebody in my house will get use out of this anyways. I have 3 girls. So, and not saying that this is bad. I love this translucent powder, but I just have my, you know, like my holy grails. I love all the smells. I love all the colors. Beautiful. All right, guys, I love you so much. Stay safe, be careful, love each other, treat people how you want to be treated. And this is me for another June Ipsy unbagging. Let me know what you thought. Put your thoughts down below, and please subscribe. That really would help me out. And like the video. I love you guys. Bye.